Hey guys, welcome to Art School. So I was thinking, what can we bring on the table today? Idea. I have a bunch of paint brushes. They were in lockdown for many days, maintaining social distancing, just like us. Now today, they want to come in hand to create some beautiful... You better watch until the end. Oh yeah, if you are new to our channel, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay notified for our beautiful new arts. First, we're going to take our brush and dip it into the blue color sauce. Color. Now let's make a shape of flower petals. Some dew droplets of colors. Now let's dry some excessive colors with the help of another brush. After the petals are done, it's missing the branch. And then, without some leaves, the flower will look incomplete. So let's put on some green leaves. Voila! It's a beautiful, simple flower. Next flower is going to be a purple flower. We're going to follow the similar steps. I'm showing you one more time how to draw this easy and simple flower. Now we are done with these two lovely flowers. You can cut them with a scissor and give it to your Valentine, or just frame it and hang around in your bedroom. I hope you liked it. Give us a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to our channel, okay? Thank you.